People, welcome back to YaadAndAbroadTV. Please remember to hit the subscribe button, turn on post notification, like, comment, share, and subscribe. As I said, if you're not familiar with this channel, we talk about issues in Jamaica, the Caribbean, and the whole world, people. Yo people, wagwan, welcome back to my channel, people. So yo people, today we're gonna talk about Shaggy's bombastic buy, people. Yeah man, Shaggy purchased a huge mansion in South Florida, yes people. And we are here for it. You see me people, you don't know say Shaggy in the music business for years, on top of years now, and he has reaped great rewards, people, and now he is eating the fruits of his hard-earned labor. So I'm getting this from Jamaica Observer, people, where it say, call him Mr. Bombastic indeed. International Recording Act Shaggy recently plunked down a whopping US 2.1 million for a swanky near to the ocean crib in Florida. According to the Los Angeles Times, the 5-bedroom residence is located in the Coral Gables area of the Sunshine State, people. Me live in Florida, you know, people, and Coral Gables, where all of the money people, them there, you see me, people. You see me down the peaceful, quiet, and that's where you really wanna, you know, if you want get away from the hustle and bustle of Florida and the crime and violence. Coral Gables is very, very low-key and nice. Goes on to say the new dig span about 5,800 square feet, and the entire floor plan wraps around a courtyard with a fountain and a mermaid statue at the center. Inside, living spaces with vaulted ceilings and walls of glass keep things calm with shades of white and tan. The LA Times reported custom marble cabinet and slab granite countertops mark the chef's kitchen. Upstairs, the primary suite tacks on a walk-in closet, spa, bathroom, and private terrace. It's one of 5 bedrooms and 4.5 bathrooms in the split-level floor plan. Outside, the resort-like grounds are made greener by dense landscaping and palm trees. A spacious patio wraps around a swimming pool and spa. Off to the side, a pavilion houses a bar and steam room. The property was listed by American real estate company Douglas Elliman. Shaggy is not the first act in recent times to buy a luxury home in Florida. Stephen Marley, son of late reggae icon Bob Marley, splashed US $3.4 million for 2 adjoining properties on Southwest 187th Avenue, totaling a sizable 5.6 acres. A whole land that, you know, people. According to the Miami Herald, his home features 7 bedrooms and 8.5 bathrooms, plus 2 guest houses. The rustic chic estate includes a media room, pool, tennis and volleyball courts, gym, and 4-car garage. Shaggy, whose given name is Orville Burrell, is a 2-time Grammy-winning recording artist. He is known for songs including Bombastic, It Wasn't Me, and Hot Shot. Yeah man, Shaggy been making hits from years, people. And you don't know, as I said before, he's reaping the hard-earned fruits of his labor, people. As I said, a long time I put in work. So big up yourself, Shaggy. You don't know, and check out these photos of the property, people. Big up yourself once again, Shaggy. Much love and appreciation from YaadAndAbroadTV.